Hey everyone!
Hey everyone!
Thank you so much for joining us today. So we are going to cook dinner. We have some mango and avocado salsa. And also we're gonna have some baked fish with quinoa. So let's start with our salsa. We are gonna need 1 avocado and 1 mango and half of the red pepper, juice of 1 lime, and 2 tablespoons of this white onions. We're supposed to put cilantro in it as well, but we don't have it and I don't like it, so we're gonna omit that. So I'm going to chop up all my ingredients. The mangoes, chopped it up into cubes, as well as the avocado, and also the peppers, you have to cut it and chop it into small pieces, as well as the onions. After all of that, I'm going to use a whole juice of lime and just squeeze it into the bowl using my juicer. And then just mix everything else. You could put a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste and mix everything, and just make sure that everything is mixed thoroughly. And then you could try and taste your salsa and see if the flavor is to your liking. My husband will try out some of this salsa that we just made.
Oh, looks so good. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so let's get everything in there. Onions, avocado, peppers.
It's missing cilantro.
We don't have cilantro.
I'm just joking. It tastes delicious.
So we're gonna cover this with saran wrap. We'll keep it in the fridge while we do the fish. To start off with my fish, I'm going to preheat my oven to 370, and then I already washed my fish. I was going to use tilapia, but I couldn't find it at the grocery store, so I used basa fillet. I'm just drying it with paper towel, and then I'm going to season it with garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of lime juice, and of course salt and pepper. I don't have measurement for my seasoning. I just usually eyeball it and judge it. Season your fish to your liking. You could just don't overdo the salt and the pepper. You could always add salt and pepper, but if you overdo it, that will just wreck your dish. Next, I'm heating up oil in a nonstick pan, and then I'm going to sear the fish, maybe a minute or so each side, and I made sure that the oil is very hot before I put in my fish. I'm not going to cook through it in the pan. I'm going to finish it off in the oven later. Once every fish is seared, I'm going to move or transfer them in a foil-lined baking sheet, and I'm going to bake it for probably 10 minutes just to make sure that the fish are all cooked. So there it is, our whole meal is all done. We're going to have the fish and salsa with quinoa. It's a more healthier option if you want to skip a day without rice, or if you want to, have a replacement for a more lighter and healthier option. Quinoa is the best option, or either, couscous or salad or even brown rice. And there it is. Enjoy.
Bon appetit!